The truth about breakfast foods. You must eat and avoid. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast foods. We'll explore what you should eat to start your day right and what to avoid to keep your energy levels high. First up, let's talk about oats. They're rich in fiber, which helps keep you full longer and regulates your digestion. Oats are a great way to maintain steady energy levels throughout the morning. Next, consider adding eggs to your breakfast. Packed with protein, eggs not only keep you feeling full, but also help build and repair muscles. They're versatile and can be cooked in numerous ways. Greek yogurt is another excellent option. It's high in protein and probiotics, promoting gut health. Plus, it pairs wonderfully with fruits and nuts for added flavor and nutrients. Speaking of fruits, berries are a fantastic choice. They're loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Adding them to your breakfast can boost your immune system and keep you feeling energized. Whole grain toast is also a smart pick. It provides complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, preventing mid-morning slumps. Top it with avocado for healthy fats and a dose of potassium. Now, let's see what you should avoid. Sugary cereals might be convenient, but they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. This often leads to a crash, making you feel tired soon after eating. Pastries, though delicious, are also best avoided. They are high in sugar and unhealthy fats, providing little nutritional value. They can contribute to weight gain and sluggishness. Another culprit is flavored yogurt. Unlike Greek yogurt, flavored versions often contain added sugars. These can negate the health benefits and lead to an energy crash. Skip the processed meats like sausages and bacon. They're high in saturated fats and sodium, which can increase your risk of heart disease and high blood pressure. Also, steer clear of sugary drinks like orange juice and flavored coffees. They can spike your blood sugar and provide empty calories, leaving you feeling tired and hungry soon after. Instead, opt for a balanced breakfast with a mix of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. This combination will keep you satiated and energized throughout the morning. Remember, starting your day with the right foods sets the tone for the rest of the day. Making mindful choices can improve your mood, energy levels, and overall health. So, next time you're planning breakfast, think about these tips. Choose foods that nourish your body and avoid those that drain your energy. Here's to a healthier, more energetic you.